Why would y'all have a printer and it don't work? Y'all don't got printer paper. We got printer paper, but we might as well just go to the library because, so yeah, y'all. Look at my popcorn sound like somebody's shooting. Oh, it's smoking. We're making chicken quesadillas. Okay, so now that is trying to embarrass me and unfold. Like, what is this?
Hold me till I scream forever and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So y'all, we about to go to the gym. All 2024, we go to the gym. Well, really, yeah. So we about to go to the gym, and later we gonna go to the library so we can make our little vision board. And yeah, so y'all just gonna come with us today. It's a real chill day. Really chill.
And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby, baby. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, baby. Then dip me underway. You can get on my foot, flow. Hold me till I scream.
Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. But I'm so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else made it smooth. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. But right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick, right amount of slapping me up. Think that I'm going to fit.
Hey guys, so we just got done working out. And just, it was intense, okay? It was intense. I do the same workout every rep because that's what works for me. So now we got to see, I forgot we had a printer at home, so we got to see if we can use it before we go to the library. Because, yeah, wasting gas is not an option. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna update y'all if we get to do it here. So we can come right back upstairs and make our quesadillas and do our little vision boards, okay? Yeah, so we went down there to the printer that we have in the office and it does not work. So we still gotta go to the library, so I'm not mad, but why would y'all have a printer and it don't work? Why would y'all have a printer and it don't work? Y'all don't got printer paper. We got printer paper, but we might as well just go to the library because it still don't work. So yeah, I'm about to eat some popcorn. We about to get ready to go to the library real quick. And we need to get a poster board because we don't have no poster boards. We only have canvases. So yeah, y'all, stay tuned. We're gonna show y'all a little bit of the vision board I'm not gonna show y'all everything because I don't understand why people show y'all everything of the vision board, because it's supposed to be for you, and people can come with their vicious and evil ways and talk down on your vision board. So yeah, y'all. Look at my popcorn, sound like somebody's shooting. Oh, it's smoking. Okay, y'all, so I don't like it. And I'm about to take it out. So we done made it back from the library. Tell me why I got to print off like 2 papers. I got to print off like 2 papers. So then I needed another paper. So I needed to print out 2 separate things because it's 50 cents a piece of paper. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna try to cut it down. I'll fix my little paper to where it's like 5 pictures on one paper so I can cut it out, put it on the vision board. Okay. So why I go pay for it on the printer, and it's like, oh, you need to make it $5, but it's $7. I'm like, y'all should have cut it off at the $5 mark so I could pay $7. Pay $5. Why would y'all make it a thing to where you can pay $7 but you can't pay for the $7? So then when I went on there to my computer, it already had logged me out. So y'all know at the library, when your computer log you off, everything's gone. Don't matter if you on your library number or what, it's gone. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna have to come back. So I only got to print off like 2 pieces of paper. Ariana got to print off all her papers. I'm gonna just have to go back in the middle of next week. So I guess we're gonna do that then. It was just too much. Like, why would y'all even make it a thing to where people can put it over the $5 limit? That don't make sense. So, ooh, excuse me. Yeah. So now I'm about to make these quesadillas, and we gonna watch TV because we were supposed to do our vision boards, watch TV, and eat quesadillas. But now we're just eating quesadillas and watching TV. Let's get to cooking. Okay, so now we at the air fryer station. And we're gonna take our tortillas and put it in the air fryer for like, I don't know. We're making chicken quesadillas. Next, I'm gonna put the cheese inside, mix it with the chicken so it can melt together. And then, yeah. Okay, so it look like this now. That's gonna be our outside. Put this in there for like 5 minutes. Spray some of this on so I can get a little crispy quicker. we done ate our little quesadillas, and now we watching Working Moms. They are so funny. If y'all ain't watched it, y'all need to go watch it. We on season 3, episode. So I'm on here looking like it's because my video has zoomed in when I was talking to y'all, and it never zoomed out, and I try to do my outro. So yeah. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video, babes.